Hello, kids. I'm Miss Shelly. Have you ever gone hic out of nowhere, like there's a tiny drummer hiding inside your tummy? Hiccups sound funny, right? Almost like a little monster playing tricks on you. But where do they come from? Let's hop into our Body Explorer car and find out. Inside your body lives a super springy helper called the diaphragm. Let's call him Mr. D. He's like a trampoline that helps you breathe, bouncing up and down all day long. Usually, Mr. D is calm and steady, but if you gobble down a burger too fast or gulp a big fizzy soda, your tummy puffs up like a balloon. The balloon pushes on Mr. D, and boing, he gets startled and jumps too fast. When that happens, your throat's little door suddenly slams shut and the air rushes out with a funny sound. Hic, hic, hic. That's your hiccup. Sometimes laughing too hard or eating super cold ice cream can make Mr. D a bit silly too. But don't worry, hiccups are just your body's little joke. Next time you get the hiccups, try holding your breath or sipping some water and imagine Mr. D bouncing on his trampoline having a party. Funny, right?